Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to our morning volatility report. This is Andrew Giovinazzi, Chief Operating Officer of OptionPit.com, welcoming you to said website, said education, option education company. Speaking of that, we're pushed it back a week to the 29th. Where Chipotle now has mice in their food. So anyway, talking about long gamma. To be honest, I think this is a market for long gamma because vol's super cheap. But we'll discuss all that in our class. How to add long gamma to your trading. Also, trying to finance it. Okay, trying to finance your long gamma. That's the important thing. Long gamma is one thing. It's always nice to figure out how to pay for it. Oh, mice droppings from the ceiling at Chipotle. Maybe I'll never eat there again. Anyway, but check this out, July 29th, Saturday, July 29th. Okay, so let's get to the market here. A couple things we're looking at is just in general, things that we're going to look in the chat room. IBM, just the constant weakness in this thing. We're looking at some put time spreads in here. It's just this, I don't know when this stock's ever going to go up again, but apparently it does. It just, every earnings has been like clockwork for this. Another one we are thinking about is I like time spreads in general and all of these in the banks. Reason buy is something we've talked about in some of our classes. Just vol is just super low. Morgan Stanley upside time spreads look interesting. Just very cheap for an industry that it seems like it's not quite over. Two, an idea against the euro. This is a strange one to me where you have the euro's climbed. Actually, ever since the U.S. started raising rates, the euro's been climbing with it. I don't know if it's a reverse, something trying to get out of it. However, again, just very, very low vol. So a lot of the trading in here, cheap, low theta trades. And I mean, you see a lot of charts that kind of look straight up, and the euro is one of them. Second as well, we'll look at QQQ. Again, probably some of the most underpriced volatility there is. This obviously is a little bit of a shock. Let's see if there's just a 10-day vol. Okay, so there's a bad data point in there. But for the most part, Q volatility is pretty high and implied vol is really low. So we could look at like a long iron fly where you're long the guts and you're short the tails because that's where the skew is. We're just about to hit all of the big tech earnings. And I think the Qs could move real simply. Also, you're considering the possibility of move. It's not that expensive. So those are the topics we'll be looking at today in our chat room. And lastly, just UVXY. It just continues to be UVXY. There is pretty healthy future premium. So the drip. I think what is this thing? After pre-split, it was $32, $32.50. It's already down $2, and it will continue to erode away until something changes. And we have probably another day where we're going to have sub 10 volatility, and that's what the market is. At least for now, it ain't changing. And with that, I'll see many of you in our chat room and hopefully some of you in our Saturday class on the 29th. All right, everybody, have a good day.